The chart of accounts is effectively a list of codes that helps categorize your brigade's transactions in Xero. It is a useful tool that helps correctly classify your transactions and generate accurate financial reports. Rather than providing you with the default chart of accounts Xero usually offers, the UFBA has provided each setup brigade a standardized chart of accounts to suit the general needs of brigades. When viewing your chart of accounts, you'll be able to see the various accounts to which transactions can be coded. The majority of transactions are likely to be coded either under revenue or expenses. We will now show you how to create a new account. It is important to note that any new account will affect reporting templates, so we generally recommend not to make these changes. The alternative is to change the name of the account, which we will show you how to do later in this video. However, for the purposes of your brigade, adding a new account is absolutely necessary, then the following is a quick tutorial on how to do so. To create a new account, whether it is a revenue or expense account, click on the Add Account button. For example, your particular brigade may want to categorize transactions associated with the purchase of kitchen supplies. We now need to select the type of account we are wanting to add. As we are looking to add an expense account for kitchen supplies, we would select Expense as the appropriate account type. We need to also give this account a reporting code. These are the numbers that help categorize the transactions. We recommend that for new revenue accounts, the code should be a number between 100 and 200, and for expense accounts between 200 and 300. Upon entering a code, Xero will let you know whether that code is available or not. Following this, we would enter an appropriate name, and if you find it appropriate to do so, a short description as to the aim of this account. For those brigades registered for GST, you will need to update the tax setting for the account accordingly. For those that are not registered for GST, simply click the No GST option under the tax setting. The account will now be created and form part of your chart of accounts. Future transactions can now be coded under this account when necessary during the reconciliation of your bank accounts. As mentioned before, rather than creating an entirely new account, it may be more appropriate to update and rename an existing account. This may be necessary, for example, where your brigade wants to categorize all printing and stationery expenses under the one account. To update this, we need to click on the account we're wishing to change and edit the name of the account.